Welcome, in front of me is a Mi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to screen record the device. So to get started, let's open up the notification panel, go to the second page, and at least for me the toggle is located right over here. Now the position of it may vary, so keep that in mind, but once you find it, you want to hold it, and then it will take you to screen recordings where you will have everything that you have recorded. And from here you can go to the settings and start off by changing the settings so it's at the best quality. So number one, here you have the resolution. I would keep it as it is, you can't go higher, so keep it at least 1080p. Then you have video quality. You could bump it up to 20 if you want. That will take a little bit more space on your device per minute. You could drop it down, but I wouldn't go anything past 6. Just keep it at least 6. 16 is probably the optimal one, 20 is the best. Then orientation, here you have the auto, and I would also advise to keep it on auto unless you're planning to play, I don't know, some games for instance that are in landscape, but for instance you're laying in bed, so the device is located basically in portrait, so kind of like right now. Then you could set it to be a specific orientation instead and not auto. Then you have sound source, so here you have kind of limited option, I would say. You can either have the mic, which will hear you speak, or in this case me, or you can have the system sound, which will record anything that device is playing, so that'll be music or game sound from games, stuff like that, or mute, which will just not record any kind of sound. And then last thing that I would say is more important is the frame rate. Now for some reason by default it's set to 24. I guess it's just a hilarious joke of I don't know, considering this as a cinematic recording. Now change it to 30 at least. You can't go any higher, but change it to 30. 24 works with movies because movies are pre-rendered, this isn't. So 24 will be just horrendous experience, and 30 is still not the best, I would say, but it's the best you can get on here. And once you set all those up, you can quit it, then go into the settings, or not settings, but the toggle right here, and simply tap on it. Now I'm gonna check one more thing really quickly. Sometimes there is a way to record also the camera. Show touch gestures, so there's also a couple toggles that you can check on, like touch gestures, which will simply wherever you tap, it will show where you're tapping on the screen. You can actually check that on so you can get a visualization on it. Visual navigate button, go to the screen recording. Okay, so it's probably the most important ones here, and I'm gonna go enable it by simply tapping on it, and it automatically starts, as you can see. Now it gives you the time that it has been recording. It fades away. Now this little thing right here is actually not visible on the recording, although my finger where I'm touching this white little circle is. So even if I'm dragging this around, it's gonna be showing it as me dragging my finger on the display. And whatever I'll be doing right now is being recorded, so as you can see I'll just kind of flip over the pages, and then once I'm done, tap on it, tap on the red square, it gets saved. And like I said, the video can be now found in the in here once you hold the video or screen recorder toggle, and you can see it right over here. Also shows you how much space it takes. So for 30 seconds it took about 64 megabytes, so it looks like it's going to be taking about 100 megabytes per minute. From here you can tap on it and tap on the play button, allow, and as you can see it's basically now showing the pre-recorded footage. So I'm not going to be doing anything. It should, oh there it is. So you can see that was my finger when I was dragging around that window little for recording. And right now there is no sound of any sorts. And also, as you can see, it's a little bit choppier than it actually is on the phone itself. So even though it's set to 30, it's gonna look worse than what you're seeing because your device is displaying 60, not 30. So yeah. And that is basically how you would record the screen on this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.